Welcome back. Now, Jamaica is likely to move to a hurricane warning over the next few hours as we are continuing to monitor the progress of Melissa. At 7 o'clock this evening, Melissa was at 16.2 degrees north and about 74.6 degrees west. Expected to become a hurricane shortly. Currently, the maximum winds are 100 kilometers per hour and it is moving towards the north at about 4 kilometers per hour. This very slow movement means that Melissa should still be south of Jamaica this weekend. We're not expecting any significant motion towards the north or closer to the area of Jamaica, closer to the coast of Jamaica until about 2 in the afternoon on Monday, and then 24 hours later there is the likelihood that Melissa moves across the island, Melissa touches the southern portion of the island somewhere near the coast of Clarendon, Manchester at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Now let's have a look at the satellite imagery across the general Caribbean. We do have cloudy conditions persisting across the area. We can see the dense overcast from the system just towards the southeast of Jamaica, and we can also see extended clouds with isolated showers and thunderstorms northeast of the area affecting sections of Hispaniola. We did have significant flooding events across parts of the Dominican Republic earlier this afternoon, so we do have quite a bit of rainfall being observed as a result of the passage of the system. Further in the Western Caribbean, we do have stable conditions, but we also have northerly winds that are across the general area, curling into the flow of the system and helping it to generate. We do expect rapid intensification over the next 2 days or so. The forecast for tonight: showers are lingering mainly across sections of eastern, particularly northeastern parishes. The temperatures are dropping to 23 degrees Celsius for Kingston and for Montego Bay. Now in the morning tomorrow, we're expecting clouds, showers, and a few thunderstorms mainly across sections of the south, also across sections of the northeast. For the afternoon, an increase in clouds moving further towards inland areas and further towards western parishes. The temperatures are expected to get to about 29 degrees Celsius in Kingston, and we expect temperatures to reach 28 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. The breakdown has cloudy conditions persisting across most of the area tomorrow. Showers and thunderstorms Morant Bay, Kingston. Also in Portmore, we're expecting showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon, developing for Spanish Town, Maypen, and also for Mandeville. As we move further west, cloudy conditions persist, especially in the late afternoon and evening for Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and Negril. Morning clouds, showers, and thunderstorms are expected in Port Antonio, also in Port Maria. And as you move further west across the north, we do have clouds, showers, and thunderstorms expected across Ocho Rios, St. Anne's Bay, and Brownstown, with cloudy conditions likely to persist for Montego Bay and Lucy for most of the evening and night. Now, the next few days, Sunday and Monday, windy conditions, tropical storm conditions, hurricane conditions possible across most of the area, including offshore areas. On Tuesday, we do have the likelihood of some showers and thunderstorms lingering across the general area, with isolated clouds, showers, and thunderstorms still affecting Jamaica on Wednesday. Now, the winds. They are east-northeasterly at 15 knots on the north coast tomorrow. We expect the winds to gust to 35 knots, so a small craft warning stays in effect. That hurricane warning is going to be in effect. We do have 40-knot gusts for inshore areas of the south tomorrow, with wave heights getting up to about 4 meters. And then when we look at offshore areas, the winds are gusting to 45 knots. We have prevailing winds of about 25 knots. The wave heights are between 2, getting up to about 4.5 meters. And the outlook: tropical storm conditions are expected across offshore areas for the next few days. That's Sunday and Monday. Also on Tuesday, we're expecting the winds to gust up to 40 knots, with the wave heights getting up to about 4 meters. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow, if we're likely to see it, which is not likely, 5:38. Sunset at Negril Point, 5:44. And that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.